Hey guys, I'm going to give you a quick room tour of the Broadview hotel room. There's a king bed in here and a queen sofa bed. So let's get started. Let's start with the bathroom. So we have hands up here. Let me just show you all the obvious things. Makeup, remover towel, you got a shoe mitt, shower cap, and vanity kit. And here you have your maximizing mirror. Super nice. I just really like the decor here. It's like gold accents, marble, and black colored walls. Pretty. You get, of course, you have your shampoo, your body wash, and your conditioner. And then this is the front door. Then you have a beautiful closet here. I put my stuff here already. You got an extra towel up there, hair dryer here. You have an iron and ironing board over there, a safe, and some hangers. Let's close that. This is how it looks. Really pretty. Pretty and modern. Here's your king size bed. The king size bed, you have your side table there, and you have your reading lights. Pretty. And then you have your couch there, which turns into a queen size bed. You have another side table there, coffee table, your TV, desk, phone, and mini bar here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, got an alcohol here. This one's locked. Or is it locked? Yeah, that was locked. And you got some records here. How cute is that?